Hello students, all of you are most welcome in this video lecture. In this video, today I will be discussing about class 12 subject biology CBSE board chapter 5 principle of inheritance and variation. I am Dr. Sunil here, biofaculty. So, in previous video lecture, you may have already learned about this Mendelian principle of inheritance, non-Mendelian principle of inheritance, then chromosomal theory of inheritance. Today, I will be discussing about linkage and recombination. Linkage and recombination. Now, the question arises, what is linkage? So, linkage is the physical association of two or more genes on a chromosome. Suppose this is the chromosome, this is a chromosome. There are two genes, capital A and capital B, and small a and small b. How they are associated with each other? That is called linkage. This linkage linked genes do not show independent assortment. If they are linked together, if they are closely linked, they are see here these genes capital A and capital B, small a and small b. They are tightly linked. So because they are tightly linked, they will not show what? Independent assortment. If you are a very close friend, so suppose there are two friends, so easily you cannot separate them. But here there are two genes, they are tightly linked, so they will not show independent assortment. Recombination. Now, what is what? Recombination. Recombination is the generation of non-parental gene combination. So this is what parental gene combination. But because here genes are what? Tightly linked. Genes are tightly linked. So when genes become what? Loosely linked. When genes become what? Genes A and B, they are what? Tightly linked. So they are what with parental combination. But here C is not tightly linked. So they will be showing what? Loosely links A and B. And here in the case, these are what genes capital A and capital B. There is much gap is there. So they are loosely linked. So when there will be they will be crossing, there will be crossing over. So this will be producing what? Non-parental gene combination. Here, this is what homologous chromosome. These are aligned. Now chromosome, they will cross over. So there will be formation of recombinant chromatid. So here, these are what? Non-recombinant. This is non-recombinant and this one is non-recombinant. Here, this one is what? Recombinant. There is a combination is changing like capital A, capital B, capital C is there. Now, this is what? Non-parental. Here, capital A, capital B, but small c. In second one, small a, small b. Parental shows what? Small a, small b, and small c. But here in recombinant, small a, small b, but capital C. So this is what? Non-parental. This is what? Non-parental. And this recombination occurred due to independent assortment or crossing over, whereas in linkage there is no independent assortment. So we can say linkage is opposite of recombination. Here there will be formation of non-parental combination, but in the linkage there will only parental combination will be there. Linkage will not show independent assortment, whereas recombination will show independent assortment as well as, or this is also known as what? Crossing over. I hope it is clear. So if you are having doubt, you can share your doubt in the form of comment. I will be seeing the comment and I will be replying. So next, this experiment was conducted on this linkage and recombinance. There was one scientist, his name was Morgan, T.H. Morgan. He carried out several dihybrid cross. Dihybrid means when we consider two characters. When we consider two characters here, one is what? Yellow body color and eye color. So two characters. Therefore, dihybrid cross. He conducted dihybrid cross not on pea plant, but it is what animal insect, that is Drosophila, to study sex-linked gene. To study what? Sex-linked gene. There are some genes, they are present on one sex chromosome. So they are always linked on that sex chromosome. That is what? Sex-linked genes. And most of the time, these genes are present on what? Linked on X sex chromosome. So that is called X6-linked gene. What he had done, Morgan carried out what? Dihybrid cross and Drosophila. This is our Drosophila. See, it is having red eye, it is having white eye. So this is what? Yellow body is yellow. See, the body is yellow and eyes are what? White. The genotype is what? Small y, small I, small w, small w. You can see Y by W. And this is what? Cross with brown body. The brown body of this is what? Brown, and eyes are what? Red. Eyes are red. That is also wild type. So what is the genotype? Y plus W plus W. This is what cross number 1. And cross number 2, white-eyed miniature wing. White eyes miniature wing. So for gene, miniature means small size wing. So miniature wing. Here see the wings are larger, where wings are smaller. Red eyes and large wing. Red eyes and large wing. So these were two crosses, dihybrid crosses. So one cross was what? Yellow body means YYWW. So these genes Y as well as W, they were present on chromosome, X chromosome, and they were closely. There was very less distance between Y and W, so they were linked. But here between W and M, there was big difference was there. So there was a crossing over here. But in case of cross number 1, there was less. There was, because genes were closely present, so there was less crossing over. So linkage was there. So let us explain it with this help of this diagram. It is also given in your textbook. See class 1, parental combination. See the position of these genes. YW, one female, X chromosome. And on this male, there is a YW and YW. So this is Y type, this is yellow and white type. So here if we see these genes, YW, they are also present on same this on chromosome. Okay, this is also present on this YW. Okay, YW. So here parental type is what? 98.7% in F2 generation. In F2 generation, parental type of the progeny was more, and here recombinant was only 1.3%. It should be what? In the ratio or in F1 generation, it should be ratio in 1:9:3, but here it is deviating from Mendelian ratio. Why? Because these genes are closely present. Between these two genes, the space is very less. But here you see in the class number 2, the space between W and M, there is a big gap is there. Therefore, parental combination, parental type is what? 62.8%, and recombinant is what? 37.2%. So this cross showing what? Linkage. This cross is showing what? Crossing over, the combination. So in class number 2, in class number 1, there is no independent assortment, but in class number 2, there is a independent assortment is there. So we can say that what are these findings of this Morgan's experiment? two genes did not segregate independently and F2 ratio deviated from 9:3:3:1 ratio. Genes were located on X chromosome. Genes were located on X chromosome, not on Y chromosome. When two genes were situated on same chromosome, the portion of parental gene combination was much higher. Here see, parental combination is much higher than the non-parental type. This is due to linkage. Why non-parental combination is less? It is because of linkage. It is because of linkage. Then genes of white eye and yellow body. Genes of white eye and yellow body are very tightly linked. See here, these genes Y and genes W. They are closely linked. They are very tightly linked and showed only 1.3% of the combination. They have shown only 1.3% of the combination. Genes for white eyes and miniature, white eyed and miniature being W and Y. See, the distance is small. The genes of white eye and miniature beings were loosely linked and showed 37.2% the combination. They showed what? 37.2% of the combination. Tightly linked genes show low combination, the combination. So tightly linked genes, these genes, they are tightly linked. They show what? Low recombination, whereas loosely linked genes show high recombination. So on the basis of this linkage and crossing over recombination, and this there was one scientist, his name was Alfred Struan. He used these property. He used the recombination frequency between gene pairs for measuring the distance between genes. Suppose there is a gene, okay, gene of body color and gene of wing size. So what is distance? We have used this recombination frequency, the recombination frequency between gene pair for measuring the distance between genes and map their position on the chromosome. So on the basis of this, genetic maps were prepared. So genetic maps are used as a starting point in the sequencing of genome. That is a human genome project. We will study this project in biotechnology part chapter in detail. So suppose there are three genes. Genes for body color, genes for eye color, genes for wing size. So these body color genes and eye color genes, they are closely present. So they will be showing what? Less recombination. They will be showing what? They will be linked. And genes for this body color and genes wing size, they are loosely linked. They are not tightly linked. So they will be showing more recombination. So in this way, the mapping was done. Position of genes was also recognized on the basis of their position. So the distance between gene of body color and gene of wing size, that is what 17%. And the gene for body color and gene of eye color is only 8%. So in this way, chromosome, this linkage and the combination were used in making a genetic map. So I hope that this chapter is clear. These topics are clear. Linkage and recombination. Like, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel to get latest videos related with class 11 and class 12 biology. Thank you very much.